We got Kansas in the building, y'all.
Saturday Night Grudge coming back. Cadillac versus Mustang.
Y'all going for the right lane? That's messed up. He's in a red light. Damn, that goddamn Mustang running. Mustang for the win, y'all. Y'all going, where y'all going this time, man? He just pulled it. They got spray in the left lane, y'all. Yeah. Damn, what kind of dash is that over there? Oh. Right lane for the win.
Back Fox.
He ain't doing nothing with them extra gauges. I need a beat. Somebody tell me I seen that 500 shot. Look goat, look goat. Hey, look goat, you on my YouTube channel? Lookout Racing. On YouTube, once you type in Lookout, as soon as you put in an R, it's gonna say racing. I don't know what Lookout weekend. I need to tap it and see what the hell is skipping over me. Hey, look out, y'all on my YouTube channel. Okay, they on now. Miss, you too? You on my YouTube channel? I need to get you on there, miss. You slacking. Look. That's my YouTube channel. Look out Racing. It's going down like James Brown. Okay. Appreciate you, Swerve 51. Boy, Swerve 51 cool in a mug. Yeah, I need some. I should have been adding moderators like that, man. Swerve 51, one of the best moderators I got on TikTok. I need to delete some of the other ones I got and add more Swerve 51 type people, man. He letting everybody know my YouTube channel. Lookout Racing. Swerve 51, you cool in my books, man. And you cool in my books. Hey, look out, man.
What's up, man? I'm in the 50 and 60s.
You on my YouTube channel?
No, I don't think so.
This shit right here, Lookout Racing, man. It's going down like James Brown.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm ready to record, see what you working with.
Check it out.
Already, appreciate it, man. I'll be up here all the time, man. Let me see who this is. Look at how you doing in there. How you doing?
Good.
Already. You on my YouTube channel?
On what?
Are you on my YouTube channel?
I don't do any.
You don't do that?
I don't do any.
You don't be wanting to watch your car make a pass or nothing like that? Oh, you be filming it. Hey, look out, man. Let me tell him. This is my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, man. You can send it to him. That way you ain't gotta even do nothing. You can just be here looking. You know what I'm talking about?
I just got him a Gmail this year.
Oh, you just got him a Gmail? Oh, he way behind.
He's 19th century.
Oh, he 19th century. He ain't in the 2000s yet. Oh, I got you. I'm glad you caught up, man, because you know, I know you in your 40s or something. And I'm glad that you in the... Oh, that's your big brother?
Yes.
Dang, man, he one of them 60 babies, man.
He's a 50.
Oh, he a 50 baby? Oh, yeah. Them things, they don't listen.
I'll look at it.
They like a Walmart drone. They don't listen. They just go up in the air, go in the damn world. All right, y'all. We got a couple cars left. Miss, there's only a couple cars left.
I know.
Hey, Kevin Stroke said he's gonna subscribe, y'all. He on my YouTube channel. Hey, if y'all come over, I got it on 1080p. It look good. What he got? Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win, y'all.
661, 99.7. 008 red for Justin.
Where y'all going on this one, y'all?
Next up, Sambo Tyra racing Kenny Tier. Kenny on the right side of the 648 dial goes first. Sambo's Spring Villanova.
Left lane for the win, y'all. It look like it's gonna be hard to get that Nova out.